So hello, welcome students. Today I am going to solve this question. देखिएगा what the datas are given. This is a question. Front view is given 65 mm. Alpha is 45 degree. Means front view is inclined 45 degree. Beta is 55 degree. Means top view is inclined 45 degree. And A in HP. Only one point is given. And B 50 mm in front of VP. Another point B is given, but that is in front of VP. So carefully see the data. What the datas are given. This is a question I am going to solve. First, as you know, we mark point A. This is A dash in the HP. Only A in the HP is given. So we draw A dash. Now you know very well what we can draw from A. Alpha is given, which is always drawn on A dash. So on A dash we draw alpha, that is 45 degree. This is 45 degree angle alpha. Now the length of front view is also given. So we can mark the length of front view on this line. This is 65. We can write here front view is equal to 65. So this point is our point B dash. Okay. Now if you want to draw point B, so either you draw anywhere and draw a locus, or now you know that from this point we can draw a projector. So on this projector you can take point B, that is 50 mm in front of VP. So this is 50 mm in front of VP, and we can draw a locus on this point. So what is this? This is locus of B. This is locus of B. So now instead draw here, we can draw anywhere. So draw the locus of point B. But see here, directly you will get B. Directly you will get B. Now one more data is given, that is beta. Now how we can draw beta? Just small I want to show in short. See here, this angle is beta. If this angle is beta, and you know very well that this angle is also beta. Okay, so we don't know point A here. So how we draw this beta? But this beta we can draw. So draw an angle beta, that is 55 degree from here. This is beta, that is 55 degree. And if you draw a projector from A dash, you will get A here. So tell me, is these two angles same or not? It is same. You know very well. Okay. So in this way we complete this projection. Now you can easily draw the remaining part, that is find true length, theta and phi. By rotation method, either rotate this front view in this direction. This is point B1 dash. Now project it. This is point B. Now join it to A. So this is your angle phi, and this is your true length. So two part you can solve. Now Same thing. If you rotate this top view, this is top view. If you rotate this top view, this will gives you point B2. And if you project it and draw locus from B dash, this is point B2 dash. And if you join B2 dash to A, this is your angle theta and this is true length. Okay, so check this true length. Both true length should be same. Both true length should be same. If these two true length are same, then your question is correct. Okay, so try to solve this question. Now we will solve another question.